Black Educational Entertainment.
Hi boss, you wanted to see me? Yes. Thank you for showing up to work early. I figured the meeting was important. I wanted to come early so that I also have a full day to cover my tasks before the weekend. Thoughts fine. Helene, listen, you did a great job training Rebecca. I first want to commend you on that. It was my pleasure, boss. Anytime. You know I know the processes like the back of my hand. Thoughts good, I like to hear that. Now listen, as you know, the position for supervisor was temporary, right? Not that I recall. It's not in my promotion letter. It should have been, because now that Rebecca is trained for the management position, you will go back to your position as secretary. We certainly appreciate your time and effort. So I'm being demoted? Don't call it a demotion, Helene. You're the best secretary we've ever had, and it would be a great disservice to lose such a dedicated secretary. It would have been good to know this before accepting the job. I moved into a new apartment after my promotion. What will I do now? That was a personal decision, Helene. Maybe move back into your old apartment. That's first and last month's rent plus a deposit. I'm sorry, Helene. If it means anything, we will add 75 cents to your old hourly rate. Feel free to go to the restroom before your shift and clean yourself up. I have another meeting in 10 minutes and I'd like to finish my coffee. You're welcome to take a half day if you need it. Okay. I can't afford to if I'm no longer on salary.
This has happened to enough black people to actually be a thing.
What's going on, girl? You were crying all day at work. The boss demoted me. Girl, I told you Maddie was a bitch. You've been working there longer than any of us. What happened? She replaced me with the new girl I was training. You know, the short white girl Rebecca. You mean Maddie's niece? You got played, Helene. And then she said that the promotion was temporary. There was nothing in my promotion letter about being the interim manager. You should contact a lawyer to find out what your options are. Can your man help me? Girl, no offense, but after all the blackmail bashing you've done, he'll probably say no. Contact a lawyer.
Don't burn bridges you want to cross at a later time. www.blackeducationalentertainment.blogspot.com